It's hysterical. I was explaining it to him.
No, Buick Road match?
Glamour magazine, I think the episode where George, was his own best friend with the Glamour magazine.
Yeah.
Colin, what's going on tonight? Oh boy.
We're all gonna be here.
Somebody's a little impatient.
You can't walk right now. Your boots are in our car.
Say hi, Dada. That's that.
Who's that? Who's that? Hi. Right.
Whoa.
She's like 34.
Yay!
Yay!
Look at that beautiful fire truck.
Star Wars. Well, let's see what we can do. Santa's not going to promise. Santa will do what he can do.
Yes,
Thank you, Santa.
How are you?
Say thank you to Santa.
she's gorgeous.
Oh my goodness.
Eventually she has dimples, but we might have to wait a long time for those.
La 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 la. La 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 la. Deck the halls with boughs of holly. La 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 la.